Algeria is the largest country in Africa and the 10th largest in the world. The official language is Arabic, but Berber is also recognized. The capital city, Algiers, is often referred to as Algezair, which means the islands. Algeria gained independence from France in 1962 after a brutal war that lasted over 7 years. The Sahara Desert covers more than 80% of Algeria's land area. Algeria has a diverse climate, ranging from Mediterranean along the coast to arid in the Sahara. The national currency is the Algerian dinar, DZD. Algeria has a population of approximately 44 million people. The country is rich in natural resources, particularly oil and natural gas. Algeria is a member of the African Union and the Arab League. The Kasbah of Algiers is a historic Medina and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Sahara Desert is home to ancient rock art, with petroglyphs dating back thousands of years. Algeria is known for its impressive mountain ranges, such as the Ahaggar and the Kabylie. The country's legislative body is bicameral, consisting of the Council of the Nation and the People's National Assembly. The Algerian national football team is popularly known as Les Phoenix, the Desert Foxes. Algeria has a rich cultural heritage influenced by Berber, Arab, and French traditions. The country has one of the highest literacy rates in Africa, approaching 80%. Tagine, a stew made in a clay pot, is a popular dish in Algerian cuisine. The country is home to numerous Roman ruins, including the ancient city of Timgad. Algeria is famous for its diverse landscapes, from coastal beaches to mountain ranges to vast deserts. The country has been a significant producer of dates, particularly the Deglet Nour variety. Algeria's national anthem, Kas Aman, was written during the struggle for independence. The country has a young population, with a majority under the age of 30. Algeria is a secular state, but Islam is the dominant religion. The Berber New Year, called Yenair, is celebrated on January 12. The Sahara region is inhabited by various nomadic tribes, including the Tuareg and Bedouins. The country has many protected national parks, including Tasselai Enager and Gouraya. Algeria is one of the largest producers of phosphates in the world. The country's flag features green, white, and red colors, symbolizing Islam, purity, and the blood of martyrs. The country has a coastline stretching over 1,200 miles along the Mediterranean Sea. The Timgad ruins contain one of the best preserved Roman theaters in North Africa. Algeria was a significant center of piracy during the 16th and 17th centuries. The Sahara hosts some of the world's oldest prehistorical tombs and burial sites. Algeria is home to the world's second largest natural gas field, the Hassi R'Mel field. The country has a rich tradition of storytelling and oral history. The first and only female president of Algeria, since independence, was Louisa Hanoun, acting. Algeria's diverse ecosystems include wetlands, forests, and deserts, supporting various wildlife. The country participated in the non-aligned movement during the Cold War. The Algerian film, The Battle of Algiers, is critically acclaimed and depicts the Algerian War of Independence. Algeria has a Mediterranean coastline that has beautiful beaches and tourist resorts. The country has a significant number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the ancient city of Al-Qasr and the Mzab Valley. Algeria's economy relies heavily on its hydrocarbon sector, which accounts for a large portion of its GDP. The country has several dialects of Arabic, known as Algerian Arabic or Darja. Algeria's national parks are home to endangered species such as the Barbary macaque. The Gemala ruins are another important archaeological site showcasing Roman history. Algeria has a rich tradition of music, with genres like Rai gaining international popularity. The country's education system has seen significant improvements in recent decades. The majority of Algeria's population is urban, with Algiers being the largest city. Algeria has vast mineral wealth, including iron ore and zinc, in addition to hydrocarbons. The Algerian coastline is dotted with picturesque fishing villages and historic coastal towns. The country's modern architecture mixes traditional Islamic styles with contemporary designs. Many Algerians enjoy sports, with football being the most popular. The date palm is a vital part of Algeria's agricultural economy. Algeria has a Mediterranean climate along its northern coast, with hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The Walaya, administrative divisions, of Algeria are equivalent to provinces. The Temple of Marduk in Timgad is one of the few remaining Roman religious monuments in Algeria. Algeria has a relatively low population density, especially in the vast Sahara region. The country has been involved in various peacekeeping missions in Africa. The former French colony houses many historical sites reflecting its colonial past. Algeria has a growing technology sector, especially in telecommunications and IT. The country's artisan crafts include pottery, weaving, and leather goods. The native Amazigh, Berber, people have a rich cultural history and continue to influence Algerian culture. Algeria is known for its hospitality, with locals often inviting visitors to share meals. The country has numerous annual festivals celebrating film, music, and cultural heritage. The Sahara's geology reveals fossilized remains, indicating a once lush environment. Arabic calligraphy is an esteemed art form practiced in Algeria. The country is rich in biodiversity, hosting various ecosystems and numerous plant species. The country has many colorful souks, markets, selling traditional goods and crafts.